Welcome to FX Street. Today we are going to be talking about Zilliqa in the process of a bullish breakout. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. Having a closer look on a daily chart at Zilliqa, we can see that something has changed in the past few days. First of all, let me sum up here. We have Easter Monday. This is Tuesday. This is today. So as today, we already are up to date more over 3% at the moment of recording. And it looks like this rally is not coming to an end anytime soon. First of all, because the fact that this red descending trend line has been broken, which had multiple tests from below, which were each time very well respected and resulted each time in a rejection to the downside. So break above, this will attract plenty of investors and traders. And of course, first level and big level I want to mark up here. Let me put that in green as it's on the upside. There we go. So 14 cents and 50, just below the monthly pivot, which is at 14 cents 59. So this area attracting my attention to do a completion of that trade, and that would result, if trade is going now, that would mean almost a 20% gain. And looking from a risk reward, if we can place a stop just below here at the low end of the day, that means almost roughly a 10% stop loss. So you have a 1-to-2 ratio trade there, which is a very sound, a very solid, good risk reward, 1 against 2. But in case we're in for the long run and investors are able to sit on their hands and only offer a small window of opportunity to take a little bit of profit, it could well be that we might even, don't get me too over eager, that we go towards this 19 cents, 18 cents 50 handle. And that would then mean, once again, if we jump in today, roughly a 55% against only a 10% stop loss. So that would mean a 1-to-5 trade, which is very, very profitable. Main reason for this positiveness is, of course, with the dollar backing off a little bit. Dollar has been strengthening since last week, and with the dollar coming off now a little bit, this opens a window of opportunity to go for cryptocurrencies to rally a bit further into the week. Of course, risk to the downside could well be that the US has already mentioned some new sanctions coming. And if in those sanctions, for example, other countries are targeted who are dealing with Russia, for example, that would be a very negative sentiment, a huge setback for global growth and global trade. So expect then rather to see a sharp decline back, a pullback towards these lower levels, resulting in a 30% loss with the 55 and the 200-day moving average coinciding. But at the moment, as we speak, sentiment looks positive, and I even want to highlight this little element, that is the fact that we have a golden cross forming with the 55 above the 200-day. So in the longer term, then certainly for this one here, sorry, let me mark it up. Certainly for this level here, this is very good news if we want to. So this level here, this is very good news as long as this golden cross, and if this widening gap between the 200 and the 55 can open up even further, then expect this 18 cents to be a possibility to keep in mind. So that's it for Zilliqa for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.